I want to show you how to create a template from an actual website. So if you're sending an email campaign that you want to match your website or to resemble your website, that's fairly easy to do. I'm going to do so by going to create email campaign under email campaigns, and we will call this demo email campaign URL template. And we don't have to select one of these templates below since we are going to be pulling one from a website. And I'll click next. So email subject, we don't want to forget to do that. So maybe, do you like my website? Then you'll see three options down below: create content using the editor below, upload a file from my computer, where you could upload an HTML file that is, if you develop that in Dreamweaver or FrontPage or whatever, you could do that there. Or we have import a file from a website. This is by far one of the easiest ways to get your email newsletter to match your website. So we're going to type a web address in here. We'll click import, and we'll see that it scraped the page for this website and basically sucked it in, and will let us edit that page. So if we want, let's say we want that image out of here, we can delete that, and I want to say hello, etc. Whatever you want to happen in here. We can, move images around. If there are specific things you want to change, you can do that as well. But just wanted to show you really basic how you can have complete control over your template and how easy it is to import your template from a website that you currently have. So once we have gone through this portion, we will want the text down here in our text content to match. Again, this is the HTML content box, so people that have email clients that support HTML content, they will get something that looks like this. The text email recipients may be receiving the email on their phone or in Gmail or Hotmail or some of those clients that may not support HTML newsletters. So we want to make sure that they get the actual content. Rather than type it again, we can just pull it by clicking this dynamic content and say get text content from editor, and you'll see that it pulls the text content from this email up here. So it just makes it a little bit easier on you. Attachments, we recommend you don't use attachments because some internet service providers or email clients may block the email or send it to a junk mail if it does contain attachments. Next, email validation. Check your email for spam. If we check our email for spam keywords, again, these are words that spammers will use often. We find here some rules that were broken on our website. Now, it doesn't matter that the words are on our website, but when we're sending this via email, we may want to pay closer attention to this. Now, 2.6 out of a spam threshold of 5. If the email has a score of 5, there's pretty much a guarantee that people are not going to get this. So the lower we get this score here, out of 2.6 here, the better likelihood of our recipients actually receiving the email. So that's what we want. So at this point, if I had a 2.6, I would probably close this and go back and remove these words as much as I can. There are going to be some that you just can't get the point across without using those words, but I'd look for a score optimally below a 1.0 out of 5. So once we have that to an acceptable level, we can actually look at how different email clients will see our email that we sent. By clicking that, view email compatibility, we can actually see how AOL will see our email, how Gmail, how Hotmail, Outlook, etc. Now you see a few of those really interfered with the site design, especially Gmail and Hotmail. And so if you basically Gmail, if you see this left sidebar, Gmail removes anything before the body tags if you're an HTML developer. Gmail removes link elements, doesn't show CSS style background image. So these are going to be seriously detrimental to the email, so you may have to rework some of that. Again, if the template or if the website doesn't lend itself well to HTML conversion, you may want to build that from scratch specifically for the email, which will be covered in another video. But that's basically how that view compatibility works. Activate email campaign, archive email campaign. Yes, we most cases we want to leave those checked. Here we can preview your email campaign by entering an email address and click preview your email campaign. I'm not going to do that this time, but that shows you how to pull a web address into Online Outbox for your email newsletter.